Hey keepers, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be going over 10 uncommon ways of how you can earn money as a side hustle. So if you guys are looking for money and you're maybe having a hard time, getting a job, or you're just having a hard time, getting earned income, I promise you these are 10 different ways how you can easily, and simply do these side hustles and earn money. All right, guys, starting with the first one. The first way to be able to earn money from a side hustle is by creating resumes. A lot of people are always applying for jobs, right? They don't know what words to put. They don't know how to organize it. They don't know how to make it look clean and professional. What you can do is you can start creating resumes for people, right? Each resume that you create, right, you can charge $5, $10, $20, depending on how long it takes you and how much work required to make it look professional, right? All these people, right, that finish university, even people who don't have a degree, right? People are just in high school, people who are in college, right? All these people, right, they are looking to create a resume that looks really nice, clean, and professional, right? Also people who just maybe they're trying to switch from a job to another job, or people are that are moving from one city to another city, right? They need this type of work. So if you are able to provide them with a resume that looks nice, clean, professional, that provides all the details of their experience in a really nice and way that will get them the job, right. The more people that you can help get jobs by this resume, right, the more customers you're going to get. So this is a really cool way that you can do it from the convenience of your home. You don't have to go anywhere. People can just send you their information and you can create these resumes for them. The second way to make money is by buying in bulk and selling individually. IKEA is a store that you buy furniture. So the owner or the founder, right, the way he started his business initially when he was younger, right, his aunt would give him a pack of matches, and he would take those matches and he would sell them individually to his neighbors. So he would make more money from that gift that he got, right. I'm not saying to use gifts and sell them, but you can buy in bigger quantities and you can sell them, right. Current businesses, right, Costco, that's what they do, right. They buy in bulk and they sell you individually. Walmart does the same thing, right? They buy in huge quantities and they sell you individually. That way they make more profit, right? If other businesses are doing it and they're super successful, you should also do this, right? Buy a product that a lot of people want. So buy a big quantity so that you get them at a discount, and then sell them individually so that you can also get some profit. The third way of making money is by flipping local stuff on local websites. So let's say people are moving, right? They need furniture, they need like sofas, they need chairs, they need tables, right? They need appliances like a stove, a dishwasher, a microwave. There's just so many appliances out there, right? So what you could do, right, if you have a car, right, you can easily take these appliances, you can easily take these furniture, and you can buy it at a low price, and then you can sell them to people, for more, right? There are also a lot of people offering these things for free, right? If you're able to pick this up, right? Let's say you pick up a fridge for $50, you sell it for $100. You just made $50. Let's say you do that with a dishwasher, right? You get it for free. You sell it for $100, right? You easily made $100. People are always moving, right? People are moving from city to city. People getting new jobs, getting married, having kids, and so all these needs always are always changing. The fourth thing you can do to make money is by offering photography services, right? People are getting married, right, and they want to keep their memories. So if you're there and you're able to take pictures of them, of the people that came, of the couple, the places they went and the pictures that they take, right? They want to keep that forever, right? Because when people get married, right, it's a life-changing moment. So and if you can provide them, these pictures that they're going to keep with them forever, right, they're going to really pay you a lot of money. You can also do that with birthdays. If people have birthdays, every year, they have certain friends, maybe they lived far away, and now they came here, right? They want to keep that memory with them forever. Maybe they got a certain gift, right? And maybe it was a certain age that for example, they turned 18, right? And they want to always remember that time period when they turned 18, how the event was, how the experience was, who was there, what they ate, what they wore, right? People want to remember, keep these memories. So if you can offer photography as a service so that they can keep these things for life with them, right, they're gonna pay you for that. The fifth way of making money is by doing videos for people. So a lot of people, for example, restaurants, right? They don't have the skills to, show their food in a really cool way, right? They're really good at making the food, but they don't have the skills of like, in video format. So if you have that skill, right, and you can just use a cell phone, right? You can just use a simple cell phone, right, to record these videos, right? Most people that are going to be watching the food, right, they're going to be doing on a phone, right? So you don't need to get this super fancy big camera to do that, right? You can easily do that from your phone. And you can come in one day, you can record all these videos, and then you can edit them. If you have a laptop at home that has a software, you can do that. There's a lot of free softwares out there as well that allow you to do video editing for free. So so you can do that for one business, as a restaurant. There's also a lot of gyms who offer this, who need this help as well, right? Showing people how to train, showing people, how to gain muscles and lose weight, and what to eat, what not to eat, the correct format in terms of exercising. So you can go to these local businesses that already have a business that need more customers, right? You can help them create videos. That way they can show more people what they offer, as a business. That way they can get more clients. So if you can help them get more exposure through video by showing how cool their business is, right, they're going to provide you with a lot of money. Okay, so before I mentioned, you can flip stuff, right, by buying stuff at a lower price and selling them at a higher price. Well, what if I can make that even better? So offering stuff, getting stuff for free and selling those, right? And a lot of people, when they're moving out, they don't have the opportunity, for example, the time to take the stuff out of the house, because they need to move, in a very short time period, right? And so if you're able to go there and offer to take their furniture for free, right, they're going to be extremely happy. Also, they don't want to spend money, getting people to move this stuff. If so let's say, like, someone is moving into a different apartment, and with that apartment, they already have these appliances. Now they need to move within a week, so they don't have the time and they don't want to spend money as well. If you can come and pick it up for free, right, it's a huge point for you. You can easily take those things, right, and you'll have enough time, right? You can easily bring them home, keep them in the garage or in the backyard, right? And you can easily clean it up, and then take really good pictures. Most people that are trying to sell stuff online, right, because they need to do it very fast, right, they don't take really good pictures. So if you can if you can take a good picture, clean it up, and also write a good description. So the next way is to teach to a group of people. So a lot of people are learning online. More and more people are doing that because it's convenient. They don't have to spend time and money in transportation or being stuck in traffic. A lot of people find it very convenient, to learn from from just their apartment, right? Like, for a lot of parents, right, learning a language is super important. So, I have a friend who learned Greek, and he used to go to school to do it, right? But let's say that, he's able to do it from the convenience of his home, right? That's so much more convenient. He doesn't have to, travel all the way to school to do it, right? And so a lot of parents, right, they pay for this stuff because they want to teach their kids how to learn that language, right? It's very important culture, and they don't want their kids to miss out on it, right? So if you're able to, if you know how to speak, for example, Greek, and you can teach it to other people, right, people are going to really appreciate that. Because of COVID, right, a lot of the restrictions and stuff. So if you are able to teach people online, right, it's going to be really valuable to them. So initially you can start off with teaching one person at a time, but as you become better, you can start teaching in a group, right? Just like a classroom. In schools, people learn in a classroom. Online, you can do the same thing. You can do this on Zoom. You can create a meeting room where you can get 10, 20, 30 people, and you can teach them. I have a friend who's teaching people how to speak English in a classroom, in a physical classroom, and so he charges about $10 per session, and that's like 30 students, right, per class. So that's like $300 per class that he teaches in person. If you can take that same concept and bring it online, right, he doesn't even have to travel. It's not paying for gas. He's not even losing any time anymore, right? You can just go online, you can teach for an hour, make $300, right? And then, you can do that every single day for the entire week. The next way to earn income is by using these applications that, people are using for delivering food. So, there's Uber Eats, there's DoorDash, there's Skip the Dishes, right? all these people, right? Like all these businesses, right? They're more and more are people. More and more people are increasing getting food delivered to their house instead of them actually going to the restaurant, right? Especially with all these restrictions, right? And it's really advantage. Like if you have a cell phone, right? Like to get started, and it's very easy to get started with this as being a driver for Uber. It's super simple, right? You just need a cell phone. You need maybe obviously have a car. And so if you have a cell phone and a car already, it's super easy to get started, right? And also going to help you pay for your cell phone bill and also pay for your car as well. That way you're not paying for any gas, any insurance, right? It's a really cool way to earn money, and you don't have a boss, telling you when to work, when not, when to take your break. Right? You have the freedom. So I did it for about 20 days, and I was doing Uber Eats. Sorry, I was doing Uber driver for about 20 days, and I made about $3,700. And if you subtract the $400 for gas, that was a $3,300 profit that I made just within 1 month, which is crazy. So right? For a lot of people, right, that's a lot of money, right? If you're able to make about $3,000 per month, let's say you did it for 5 months, that's $15,000 you made, right? And that $15,000, right, you can pay off your car completely, right? Maybe that's enough for you to pay off for your apartment for the entire year, right? So it's really advantageous if you have a cell phone, if you have a car, take advantage and use these new delivery apps. The next way to make money is by taking advantage of your vacations. So let me explain. Let's say you're going for a vacation for 1 week, right? It's going to cost you money, but the time that you're gone, your house is completely empty, right? So why just not rent it out to someone on Airbnb, right? There's a lot of people looking to explore your city, right? So while you travel, you can still earn money, right? That way, your money that you're earning, you can actually pay for it for your vacation, right? Let's say you go away for a weekend for a trip to another city. On the weekend, you can give away your apartment, you can give away your house, on Airbnb. People would love to rent it out, and if you can give it at a really cool price that it's affordable for them, and then it makes sense for them, they're going to do it. Like let's say you have a driveway, right? People are gonna love to park their car. That way they don't have to pay for street parking, right? There's so many different opportunities you can have, right? When you go on vacation, now it doesn't have to be as expensive, right? You can give away, your room, you can give away your house, your apartment, and that way it pays for your vacation. So that's really cool way of saving money. So let's say you're going away for the weekend, you can rent out, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days, and the money that you make, you can split it up with your parents. That way, they realize, they're getting money as well. Some people are not comfortable, giving it out to strangers, but if you're making money out of it and you can tell them, hey, you're actually making a lot of money out of it, they're going to reconsider it. So just be patient and try to offer them, some incentive for them to accept. That way you're earning money, and also it's their place. So they're also earning a lot of money as well by doing this. So my last way of earning income is by training people. So let's say, people are trying to, lose weight, right? You can train them at home, you can train them outdoors, you can train them at the gym. Training people. People are looking to look healthy. People looking to get more fit, right? People want to build muscles. People want to, especially in the summertime, right? They want to be able to look good. Also, playing sports, right? They need to get faster. They need to get better, right? And if they can actually get into a healthier body, they'll be able to get onto the sports team that they want, right? So if you're able to train people, and it doesn't have to be super professional. It could just be a couple of pounds, right? Let's say someone is about to get married, they want to lose, they want to just look fit, right? They want to lose about 10, 20 pounds. You can show them how to do that, right? You obviously are fit, and you don't have to be super fit. Like you don't have to have like a six-pack app to offer this. Even if you have a bit of experience, right? You know how to like do pull-ups, you know how to do push-ups, you know how to use the bench press properly. You can do curls with dumbbells properly, right? You can offer this as a service, right? And you don't need to have all these equipment. Like I said, if you do it outdoors, right, you're going to be doing a lot of push-ups, you're going to be running, you can do sit-ups, right? You can use the outdoors to use that as exercise, right? And you can also go to their house and train them there. That way they don't have to actually go to the gym or anywhere, right? If they have the equipment, you can use their equipment to train them. So a lot of people are looking to get fit, and if you can help them, you can make a lot of money. So I hope you guys really enjoy all these things that I mentioned in this video. I hope that you guys can, use these and actually start earning income and, improving your life. So I hope you guys can give me a thumbs up for this video and give me a like. And I would, it would really help, to boost up these videos and show them to more people. That way, more people can look at this and more people can save money. And, yeah, I would really appreciate that. Also, if, out of all the 10, which one resonated with you the most and which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do try it out, let me know which one worked the best for you. I would really appreciate that feedback. And, we can continue, I can continue making more videos like this if it's really helping you out. Also, if you want to share this knowledge with other people, you can quickly do that with the share button. And, all this knowledge will be shared to the person. And I hope that I can provide more and more value to people that actually need this. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.